Oh. Daddy's gonna come sit with you.
Here you go. I got her.
I thought you said you got her.
I thought I did.
You can't say it unless you really do.
Whoa!
Cute. Look at that cute baby. Look at that cute baby.
Whoa!
Daddy.
Whoa!
Daddy, you want to keep a hold of me? I just usually balance her at the top of her thighs, but yeah, she's doing really well with it. Uh-oh. Please don't spit up peas.
What was that about?
Keep her upright if she does that.
Huh? You want to play with a cow head?
What else do we have? We have so many toys. What else do we have you can play with, huh? There's just so many. There's another purple cow. There's a carrot.
Oh, a carrot.
There's Miss Kitty. Where is she? Look at you sitting up! Yay! Oh! Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Yay, Miss Kitty! Love these kitties. Kitty's your favorite. Right? One of your favorites.
There you go. You're leaning. Yeah, you're leaning a little bit. There you go. What a good girl. Yeah, sitting up playing with your toys. Ooh.
You chewing on Miss Kitty?
There you go. Okay.
Yeah, so she can sit up by herself for a couple seconds at a time.
You sitting up like a big girl.
Don't watch the camera.
Look at you sitting up like a big girl. Look. You're sitting up like a big girl.
Do, do, do.
Look at this. Look, watch. Look at this. Oh, look. It's a tower.
Hi. Are you sitting up? You are. Look at you. Whoa.
Wow.
That was that fun.
Wow. What do you think?
Getting tired? Getting bored? What is it? Honk.
You want to play with this one? You like that one? Or is that too small for you?
Is it and size? Oh, somebody's tired. Oh, is somebody tired? Are you a little tired? Is it bedtime?
You can do it. There you go. Good girl. Keep trying. You want to try this one? You can get your hand in that one. Oh, wow. Don't worry about the camera.
I want to make sure it's still rolling. I'm so cute. Look at me. Make sure you get this on film.
Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. I'm sitting up.
Yay!
Grandma and Grandpa went to Japan, and I learned to sit up.
And I got 2 teeth.
And I sleep on my tummy.
All kinds of things. New things. And I eat peas, carrots, bananas, and rice cereal. Yay!
See, where are you going next, Grandma and Grandpa? I have to schedule my new advances for your trips.
Wobbly, wobbly. Whoa!
You want the big one?
So I'm moving on to
That's
the
as-
big one.
That's as big as you are.
Here's
Try
the
that.
head.
I think you have to work up to that one. What, you want that?
You want cow?
You want cow?
Miss Cow? Oh, where'd she go? Where's her head? Are you getting tired?
This is one way to make her sleep.
Yeah, she's burning off some energy. Alright, honey? So you snooze? You want her head? Is that what you want? I know the Velcro's kind of difficult. Is that a pee on your nose? How did that pee get there? Okay, Daddy, I think it's bedtime. Say good night. Say good night. Say good night. Good night.
Can you say goodnight?
Say nighty night.
Say goodnight, Grandma and Grandpa. See, you're on a plane right now. You're on a plane and I'm sitting. Can you give us a dance performance, Ann?
Say, Mommy's torturing me. Okay.